You guys, I just grabbed the crab. This is a big one too. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai, and today we are at the rice field. We're gonna show you how to cook one of my favorite local food in my hometown. Right now I'm at Phetchabun and we are going to cook khai pham. So let's see what khai pham or khai nam look like. We're gonna be cooking and make papaya salad just by the hut at the end of the rice field over there. So let's go. And we just got fish over here, fresh fish เพิ่งหาได้วันนี้ใช่ไหมนี่ปลาซิวฮะเอามาทำอะไรกิน
ทำปลาจอม
they're gonna make like fermented fish dip in with like sticky rice
ที่ทำแล้วก็มีเอาให้เขาดูในถุง
so she said here they're gonna make this one fermented. This is like small fish. This one which is a little bit sour, but this one is also fermented fish. But this one use like big fish, bigger than that, bigger than this side. To like ปลาล้านี่ปลาจ่อมนี่ต้องทำนานเท่าไหร่ปลาถึงจะเป็น
2 วัน3 วันกินได้
so they fermented this one for like 2-3 days to have this one. But here is up to 6 months to years to get this fermented fish sauce. So let's start the fire. Because we in the rice field, we don't have the stove. I just find 3 rock and then just any dry leaf and then the dry wood around that area. Put together as a dome and then light the light and underneath and hope for the best that it will start the fire. Everything is in the bag. This is khai pham. It's like so tiny. I'll show you what it looks like. And this is khai nam. In the northeast or Isan call them khai pham. It's an aquatic plant that look like a small green fish egg. You can find them in marshes or natural swamp. It's a local vegetable that the villager had been using to cook for a long time, such as curry or stir fry. Before cooking, it must be washed thoroughly. It's very high in protein, up to 40% of the dry weight. The protein content similar to that of soybean, which is higher than egg or meat, and it's also high in calcium, vitamin, and chlorophyll. Okay, now let's cook pork belly. We're gonna add chili paste. We stir fry until the pork is a little bit brown, and then we add the red chili, which has kaffir lime, galangal, lemongrass, dried chili, garlic, red onion, and shrimp paste. Stir fry until everything is fragrant, and then you can add the watermeal. The watermeal contains most of the water, so when you stir fry, there will be a little bit of the water coming out, and you can tell when it's cooked when the green start to get darker. That is when you're seasoning them with a little bit of water, fermented fish sauce, pork seasoning, fish sauce, and a little bit of MSG. The fermented fish sauce come into the bag like this. Fish sauce. Water. let's try.
Why?
Try. Why it's not delicious? This is my first time cooking it anyway. I'm gonna ask my auntie to come and fix this, to be honest. I don't want to lie to you guys that it's good. This is like basil out fresh from the garden. Basil fresh from the garden and done. And this is how we make our papaya salad. By chopping it, it's more crispy. Or they have this thing where you can just straighten it. It's easier, but the texture is not as good as chopping. Chopping make papaya crispy, but it's more difficult. People don't like to do this part. Only people who really love papaya and not lazy, they do this technique. So we're gonna do this technique today. To get even more crispier, you just put this one papaya on ice and it'll be like so crispy. MSG. Alright, here we got our som tam, and here's like grilled crab. This crab, it just come from this one, digging fresh from the rice field and grill it. อย่างนี้ทำไงนี่เคี่ยวตัวนึง
เนี่ยกินไปแล้ว
เอาไป
จะกินให้ดูเขากินอย่างนี้
นี่เขากินในที่ตอกมัน
I
ปูตาหวาน
I normally don't eat this one.
นี่กินอย่างนี้กรอบ
Creamy.
ดูดู
ไปด้วยไหมเนี่ย
Nutty creamy.
ปูติดไปด้วย
เขาตักอย่างนี้กินตักเลยครับ
เนี่ยเขาจะได้เห็นว่ามันกินได้
กินเยอะ
เลย
อายุน้ำตาไหลแต่ว่าอร่อยนะ By the way, it's a little bit spicy and she's crying. She continued to eat. Oh, I found one crab here. He didn't make it. It's gone. I try to find you like. Oh, I know it's like mini frog. You see that? Oh, you see it? There's a little frog. Just look at this helicopter that look like butterfly. See him? So beautiful. Oh! Oh! Just look at that, I found a crab. Hopefully I can grab it. I grabbed the crab! And this is the biggest one too. Look at the size of his arms. And you can hear his sound. He's talking. Hi. Let's grill him. I'm kidding. Just joking. Let's go, and I hope no one catch you. I just eat a baby crab. So you better off stay away from me. Go on. Bye-bye. Hide. It's the snail that I like to eat, but it's not easy to find. It's so good to be back to the rice field. I wish I had rice field, but my dad already sold it, so we can have the house. We buy the house from the rice field money. Anyways, guys, this is amazing. How do you like my outfit today? I wear patung today. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. Oh, that's nice cold breeze. And just right here that you see behind me, all over me, around this area is jasmine rice. My favorite jasmine rice. That's why when I cook food in the video, I always have jasmine rice because I grew up eat jasmine rice. If you guys like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back to grandma's house next time, and I will do this type of video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.